Howdy friends. So this is a process video for Mini Kit Monday, February 2020. And we had a mood board, which is lovely. And we also had a little bit of a recipe challenge, which included mini paper pads, 2 or more alphas, puffy anything, wood veneer, hearts, and a bonus being rub-ons. And I always have a couple of rub-ons on my desk because I'm trying so hard to use up these really old ones that I have, or at least start using them, see if they don't work, and move them along. So I didn't include them in my kit because I'm always trying to cycle through them. Not quick enough. I have so many like in my desk. Once I get done with the ones that are on my desk, yeah, I have to get rid of these. It's a bit much, but we'll get there. And so what I think I'm going to do is use this piece right here for my background. It is Cocoa Vanilla Daydream called Sun Shower. Just a really nice variegated yellow. It's reading like a solid. I have this very bright cherry red pattern paper, and there's hearts all over it. So that takes care of the hearts, right? And it came from a mini paper pad. So we have hearts and mini paper pad already. Then I'm bringing in this yellow, works with that. I've got hearts again, black for drama, and then I pulled out this cut apart just to see if there's anything I might want to use on it. So those are the papers I'm going to start with. Now this photo is nothing special and it's perfectly great. My husband took the picture and sent it to me. Yeah, he went on an Aldi run, and I think this was like around our anniversary. It was probably our anniversary last October. And grabbed some flowers and the hard cider I liked, slapped a little heart on the picture. I saved it, and here we are. So just a fun little doohickey. Now let's see, for the 2 or more alphas, I'll have to come up with a title. I've got these sparkly wood grain as well as these black ones. Great. I have that. Let me put that next to me. I have puffy anything. I have these really nice Maggie Holmes ones, and there are hearts on there. There's also these great words on here. So that would be a 2 or more font typo, but I had 2 or more alphas. So let's see. We'll just put them next to me. That's fine. Now I did have wood veneer. Where is my wood veneer? I just saw it. Where did I put it? It's very cute. All right. If I ever find my wood veneer, I will bring that out. Then I have, let's see. Oh, for hearts, I have enamel dot type hearts. So lots of stuff I can use on here. I also have like a little bonus of some of the same collection from Cocoa Vanilla, some of the die cuts. So I will definitely get some nice traction. I've got this big sticker sheet with great words on it too. So I just need to kind of work through my design a little bit. And then then I will have a better idea. So let me trim this out, trim off my branding strip. I'm going to map my photo about a bazillion time because I'm in the mood to do that. And I'll be back in a jiffy. Okay, quick check-in time. I don't know why, but I felt like making giant triangles with this piece of paper. So this one is about 8 inches on the diagonal, and that is whatever a little slice is on the side, probably 3 inches this way, 3 inches that way. Not exactly sure, I just went for it. Then I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of my pattern papers, and from, the mini paper pad kit, because in this kit, I don't know if you watched my pulling my kit together video or the kit reveal, I only included 3 12 by 12 backgrounds. That way it would force me to use my kit or my paper pads up. So important to me to get them used. Then my title will be Choose Happy Everyday Moments. The Choose Happy was from my wood veneer that I brought into the kit. Thought that would be cool. And then there's 2 other pieces that will match my layout that works on the wood veneer. So I already pulled that out. Now I'm going to do some kind of a going down on the diagonal because it's my favorite. So I'm going to start with like Choose Happy up here and have Everyday Moments end up down here. I know that. Now I think I wanted to include a couple things from this. I really like this camera. I like these X's and O's as well as this heart. So I'm probably going to cut them out. Oh, I like that heart too, because I want to be able to sprinkle some things coming down here. Now I also want to take a look at my current rub-ons, and these rub-ons will be super metallic gold when I use them. I have like, they're by Heidi Swapp. I have like this little weird sheet that you put on top of it, sticks to it. It's lovely. So let me cut off this heart. So I know that I'm going to use the heart rub-on. Let's see. And I like this beautiful because that could point to how pretty these flowers are. That's kind of cool. So that will be somewhere towards the bottom. And where is the other piece of this? I thought I had one more piece of this. If I find it, I can cut out another one. And if I can't, we're just going to be lost. I guess so. You ever wonder where your stuff goes while you're scrapbooking with it? It's the oddest thing. It just takes off on me all the time. Come on, little guys. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to just start finding goodies and have them cascade coming down this way. I have stickers, and I also have some die cuts still to look at. So I am going to get my title on and get my rub-ons on next, because everything else I can kind of tuck around them. Okay, give me a minute. I'll be back in a jiffy. So I'm almost at the finishing up, like just adding the little details at the end of this. Super simple layout for a super simple photo. So I did get rub-ons put here and here, so I get to feel like I have my little bonus. I did, what else is on my list again? I have my mini paper pads, my 2 or more alphas. I'm working on puffies right now. I have my wood veneer, and I have hearts and rub-ons. So let me get puffy something. I kind of like these little gold bits that I can just kind of sneak in. See how they're just like circles? I kind of like that. So let's see. Just get a couple of them, keep that whole diagonal going, great. And then, and I got hearts, so I technically have fulfilled the excitement on this. I did want to see if I liked a couple of these little words or not, but I kind of like the flow that it has. But maybe I can just get a couple. This one reads, love. Choose happy, and I can put love right on this little bit of the diagonal. And then maybe just one little one down here. I have cute. Oh, I like smile. That's nice, because it did make me smile. I thought it was quite lovely. Put that right across the tic-tac-toe board. That's cute. And now I'll just see if any of these colors are working. So that is, I mean, it's kind of like a pinky red, so it does work. These little hearts, these enamel little hearts. So maybe I can use that, and it can kind of keep it, my whole vibe going here too. Doesn't show up at all right there. So how about right here? Cute. Oh, this little guy, I have liquid adhesive on, but it definitely is not done being stuck. Let me hold it just for a second. That is trying to slide around. Yeah, that color of heart, I actually really, really like that. Awesome. It picks up the cherry red when it's on it, you know, when it's next to it. All right, cool. So I got a couple more little hearts on there. I like that. Now I might see, do I want any of these sequins on here? Do I want any of these sequins on here? The colors are just a little tiny bit off, so I'm gonna pass on that. And I think I can come in with just a little bit of my favorite mist, my Jen Hatfield Gold Mist, which is now hiding because I'm looking for it. That's what happens. Come here, mist. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with just a little mist coming down. I'll pop the picture up, and we're gonna call this one finished, my friends. I hope you like it. I'll also leave the links down below for the other Mini Kit Monday creators so you can see what they're up to. And yeah, be sure to join us on our Facebook page as well, because all kinds of people are creating, hanging out, doing the thing, and all of that. So that's it for today. Bye, friends.